Welcome to another exciting episode of Geocaching with Komikino and the Kid.
Hi.
It's October 10th, Earthcache Day, which means that you probably won't be seeing this till June 2021. I'm so far behind on editing videos. How about that? But anyway, it's Earthcache Day, where you're supposed to go out and find an Earthcache to get a nice, cool souvenir. But the thing is that we're pretty much all Earthcached out in our area. There's only one left within reasonable driving distance, and we're here. And take a look at that weather. It's crappy outside. It's wet, kind of like the swampy area that the Earthcache is in. So, kid, you know what that means? We got to break out the umbrella because it's the Pacific Northwest, and we're going to do some caching in the rain.
It just rains here all the time.
Join us here as you find this Earthcache on this episode we call Earthcaching in the rain. So original. We're at the location here for the Earthcache, and what is this? It's the Flintstones house. Hey kid, where's Fred Flintstone? Wilma, Betty, Dino, Bam Bam, Pebbles?
No.
You don't know those guys?
No?
Oh, good grief, kid. That's terrible. I raised you wrong.
You did.
Hello. Sorry, water dropped on your head.
Yeah, it stuck on my nose.
We're here at the location of the Earthcache that we're supposed to find the answer for. We're supposed to guess what type of a wetland this is. So we're going to go ahead and just observe it from this facility here that we found, this prehistoric home. So we're not going to go into the rain. The weather's stupid. Now this is nothing like the Caching with Carlos episode. That rain was nuts. This is not that bad, but still, it's just, I don't want to deal with it. Enjoy these scenes of the wetland, and maybe you can guess what type of wetland it is. What type of wetland do you think it is, kid?
Flood.
It's a flood. It's a floodplain. So there we go. Okay, we've got the answer we need for this Earthcache. I hope it's right. Tried to do what observations we could from underneath that structure there. There's another cache out here. Since we're in the area, we're going to go ahead and grab it, much to my kids' disapproval because it's raining, Dad. And we're splitting up across this thing in the... That was a huge water puddle back there. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and head up this other cache that's out here. And since we're in the area, you know, might as well do one more because there's always time for one more. And there's always time for about 3 more when we're done here too, kids. So let's go. That's pretty foul. Dad jokes. Hi. We're at the location here for the other cache that's at this park. Hopefully it's going to be a quick find because kid's holding the umbrella and the camera. She's a trooper. Wait, I'm going to get a picture of this just so you can see that she's doing something. There you go. In case mom's like, what did the kid do? Did she go outside today?
Yes, she did. My wrists with
anyway, find this cache. Oh, my back. And here we go. Oh. Either we found a cache or somebody's meth stash. Let's find out.
Oh, yeah. There's no easier way of holding an umbrella.
It's a cache. Yes! Woohoo! All right, kid. Now you gotta hold the umbrella while I sign this thing.
I don't want to. Here's Dad shaking off the umbrella.
Are you filming this?
Yeah.
Hey, kid. Remember on the last cache we found, I said, there's always time for one more?
Yes.
There's always time for another one more.
Oh, God.
There's always time for two more.
2. Oh, thunder. I think.
There's always time for one more with thunder going on.
That's not good.
All right, it's over here next to this lamppost cache. It's a lamppost cache, which means it's metal, thunderstorm going on. What could go wrong?
Anything could go wrong.
I know. This should be a D5. All right, let's go.
Okay.
Hi, kid. It's right in there. This should be like a T5. Dang. Okay, kid, come here. Hold this camera. Sure, it's a metallic and everything, but it'll be okay, trust me. While I get under this tree with a big lightning rod there with thunder going on.
Go, Dad, go. Get in.
Yay! Ah! There's like a plastics. There's a plastic snake under there, so I lifted it and. What's the most bizarrest lamppost cache you ever had to find where you thought, oh, lamppost cache? That's going to be easy, but it wasn't? Sure, this one wasn't difficult, but it's like way in the back behind the tree. So let us know about the weirdest, most bizarrest lamppost cache you ever found. I want to get this thing signed. Where'd my pen go?
Where's your pen? Get something. It's quite cold outside.
Found it. Fun.
Oh, that's pretty loud. It's still going on.
Holy cow. We're not seeing any lightning, so can't count and see how far it's away. But that's pretty far down there. Above us is not that bad of a sky.
Yeah, we have blue sky.
So it's clear here, so I'm not really worried about it here. But wow, that's...
And down there is having some problems.
Oops.
Dad, you dropped a quarter? That says 2020 on it?
2020 quarter. I mean, like, what could go wrong with 2020?
Everything went wrong with
Everything
2020.
went wrong.
Nothing is right.
That's right. Anyway, gotta put this back.
Just go.
Gosh. Terrible. There we go, kid. It's Earthcache Day 2020. We got ourselves an Earthcache, and we got ourselves 2 more caches, because there's always time for 2 more.
Yeah.
So, did you have fun?
Yes, but it's cold.
And
The thunder. I think it's gone.
thunder's still going on, jeez.
Is it?
Yeah, well, yeah, I heard like another crack there. It was a fun day.
Yeah.
Good chance to go out and go caching with you. I mean, I didn't have to coerce her or bribe her or anything. I was like, I'm going to go out and go caching. Do you want to go? And she's like, yeah, sure. And I'm like, what did you do with my real kid?
What did you do?
Alien imposter. She's among us. Anyway, thanks for joining us as we went out today. Here we got ourselves at Earthcache and those other 2 caches, as I said. It's always fun bringing you all along and showing you some of the cool caches and fun caches that we find. And it's always fun caching with a kid. So, until next time, cache on! Should have done that before I pressed record. There we go, kid.